Come on. Come on, Benny. So Benny is visiting Port Hope. We just stopped at the lake. Beautiful lake.
Hey, come on.
Okay, enough. Don't drink too much water. I don't know if it's okay to drink or not. Come on, let's go. Okay, here. He's not afraid. He used to be afraid of the water, but now he's getting used to it. You are supposed to be a water dog, you know, Benny? He's going in himself. Look. His ears are going to get all wet. Benny! Want to go back in the water? He's just investigating everything. What's that, Benny? You having fun? Go in the water. Go in the water. Come on. There, go in the water. Go in the water. In the water.
Ready?
Go get the stick, buddy.
Go get it.
Try the little one here behind us. Want the stick? Ready? On your mark. Get set. Here. Where are you? Let go. Let go. Ready? Go get it. He got it. He got it. Yes. Oh, good boy. Good job, buddy. Here, let me do it again. Let me do it again. Wait. Wait.
Go get that.
On your mark. Wait. Get set. Go get it. Yep. You got it. Let's see if I can put it farther. Here, Benny. Give me the stick, honey. Good job. Let go.
It's gotta be off the leash.
Let go. Benny, let go.
Then you drop it.
On your mark. Get set. Go get it. It went further. Oh, he's not going in. Look, look, look. Nope. He's still not sure. He's still not sure. Oh, he got it. It floated in. Go get it. It's right there. Look, look. Go get it. Go get it. He can't see it with all the waves. It's right by his feet. Benny, here. Look. Look down. Look down. Right there. Yay. Good job, buddy. No, I still not want to swim. It's a beautiful hot day and the water is actually nice. So he could go in it if he wanted to, but it doesn't seem like he wants to go in much deeper than his feet. Right, Benny? You don't want to swim?
Look from your front window, huh?
Mm-hmm. It's nice to live right here. Hey, Benny, would you like it? Come to the water every day. Right, Benny, we're just going to walk down to the edge of this pier. And, well, go look at the view. Right, Benny? What do you think? Benny, this way.
I guess the ship's coming here. Load up and stuff.
Yeah. Oh, I hear. Is it a train or a boat? Let Benny loose because no, dirty, yucky.
You don't know that person.
Oh, great, his leash went through that.
You don't know that person. Did you get that?
Yeah. Go, Benny. Let's go to the end. Look at this beautiful view. Wow, that looks really nice. Okay, Benny, let's go see what's over here, though. I think it just ends right there.
Come on, buddy. We're almost at the end.
Show us the way, Benny. Just take his leash off. He took off his leash. Whoa! What'd you see? Yeah, okay, you be careful. You be careful.
Benny.
No, I don't want him falling in the falling down there. Look how excited he is.
Last sidewalk, right here.
Just wait here. Don't go any further. Here's the water. Oh yeah, I didn't want him in there. I don't think he can probably jump all over these rocks, but he might get his legs stuck and he'd fall in the water. Then we can't get him out because look at there's a wall. Anyway, here's the end of this one. It's where the boats come in and leave. That was fun. There's people coming. You gotta put him back on the leash.
What's the other town you're on?
Another town?
Over?
Yeah.
Right there.
Okay, we'll go visit that one too.
Oh.
Benny! Okay, Benny, come here. You gotta put your leash on, bud. Good boy. He wants to see the view. Nice, eh, Benny? Take a picture. Yeah, he wants to check out that view, see? He's adventurous like us. Good boy, Benny. Good boy, he's a good boy. Oh, he's a good boy. Come. Come here, Benny, let's go explore another spot.